Welcome to the Linux command line course. You're most likely using a Windows or Mac machine, but if you're already using Linux, that's great. We're focused really on the command line, so we don't go into installing Linux or anything like that. We really focus on the command line. If you're on Linux, you can just open a terminal. Open a terminal. Usually, you can open a terminal with the Ctrl-Alt-T keys. If you hold Ctrl-Alt and press T, it will give you a terminal. If you're on Windows or Mac, you can open a web browser and search for JS Linux. That allows you to run a terminal online. I'm going to type JS Linux. You'll see the top link, bellard.org, JS Linux. Open that one. You can select the system you want to run. You could choose Alpine Linux, the console. The console is terminal. You could also use Fedora if you want to also console a different Linux version or build root. Console X window is a graphical interface, so you really want to check console. For example, the top one, Alpine Linux console. Click here, Startup link. That will open a terminal. You can use this method if you're on Windows or Mac. If you're on Linux, just open a terminal that you have available. In both cases, you get the command line interface. It allows you to run commands. For example, a command is any line of text, and you press enter to get the result. You can type, "Who am I?" It shows you your current user. In this case, it shows root. If I do it on my Linux computer, in the terminal here, and I type, "Who am I?" you'll see I'm a different user on my computer. This is a command line interface where you can type commands and it returns some output. The result of that command, for example, we can do the date command and it should show the current date. There we go. A command line interface or terminal is really a text-based interface where you can type commands and you get output. See you in the next video. Thank you.